Hi, it's Carrie. In this 5-Minute Friday, I wanted to give you an idea about field tags in different databases, so I'm just going to show you a few examples. In PubMed, to find out more about field tags, you can scroll down to the FAQs and user guide, and then instead of scrolling through this, which is very, very long, I usually do Control F and look for TIAB. It'll get through a few examples and then we get to the search field tags section. So I've done some other videos on field tags in PubMed, but I'll talk about some other databases today. One of the biggest questions we get in our systematic review class that I do with my friends for MLA is what field tag they should use, TIAB or TW. It's really up to you. TIAB searches words and numbers in a citation's title, collection title, abstract, other abstract, and author keywords, other term. English language abstracts are taken directly from the published article. If an article does not have a published abstract, NLM does not create one. So that's title abstract versus TW, text words, which is what I'm more likely to use. It's a bit broader. Title abstract, other abstract, mesh terms, mesh subheadings, publication types, substance names, personal names, corporate author, secondary source, comment, correction, and other terms, and non-mesh subject terms, so sometimes there's author-supplied keywords, including NASA's spaceflight mission assigned by an organization other than NLM. You can read more about field tags here. It's kind of fun to explore. Let's look at some differences. Let's do cystic fibrosis. We'll do TW, the broader of the two, 58,319 results. If we do TIAB, it's going to narrow it down just a little bit to 51. So when you're searching, you can play around with that. And you can play around with that on a case-by-case basis, which is to say you can put TIAB on one term and TW on another term. Now on Embase, it's a little bit different. I'm on Embase in the Elsevier platform. We'll go to Advanced. And we'll just do the same thing here, cystic fibrosis. And here we say TI, AB. That's title and abstract. And Embase has a ton of field tags and you can explore them. Up here in the help area, it's not easy to find, but there's somewhere around there. I've looked in there before. Let's type here to search. Field tags. This is a terrible, terrible user interface for a help section. Just if you want my honest opinion. They call them field codes, and here you'll see a table. And this is why it's terrible. I mean, I can't even see this. I'm sure there's somewhere else on the web. I just I'm not going to find them right now. So we're going to close this and we're going to add TIAB KW keyword. And we should get more than 79,000. We got 81,000. We can add more. DE, which is descriptor, it would get a subject heading. Should probably add more, 104. So that's field tags in Embase. Now let's look at CINAHL. And you'll know which ones are available just by using this pull down list. So you could use subject, you can use title, you can use abstract. It's kind of a pain in the butt here. I'm just looking to see what's available. So we'd have to do it like this, TI. And this is what we're stuck with, cystic fibrosis. Or SU, cystic fibrosis. Okay, so we did title or abstract or subject. You can do alt text, but that's really broad. We'll click search. So I actually went broad first here, so let's take them off one by one. Just title or abstract. $9,000, so it went down by a couple thousand. Just title, of course, that's very specific, but sometimes use it when I'm really trying to find something specific. And that went down even more. Now this is pretty much the same across databases, so you'll need to look in the help section to find out what those field tags are searching And if you're doing a systematic or scoping review, you're going to want to translate your searches accordingly so that they are mostly equivalent in each database. So I don't have easy access to Ovid, but TW in PubMed would be pretty equivalent to the MP field in Ovid, which is multi-purpose field. I hope this helped you understand field tags a little bit better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.